Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Home DIY with Alma. Now today we'll be discussing about how to improvise your tripod. So if you don't have tripod, you can actually make use of this. Now, in order to make a tripod, we need three materials, which are two rubber band, a lantern. Of course, you can see the type of lantern that you will use, and of course your phone. Now, in order to merge these three items together to give you your tripod, all you need to do, the first step that you need to take is to take your rubber band, one of the rubber band. Now fold it into two and tie it at one side of your phone. And after doing that, you get the second rubber band, tie it on the other side of your phone. You can see how I did the first one, so the next one will be here. Now you can see how they look. Now you place it on the lantern. Then after placing it on your lantern, of course it will be ready for your vlogging. Now I can assure you that during this video, after making your video with this, the rubber band will not show. It will not show in your video, so you have no problem with it. Just after watching this video, you can try it as soon as possible. Now you can see how it's done, just like tripod. Right guys, as you can see, I'm already making use of my lantern as my tripod stand. So you can actually try this at home with your own lantern. Thank you. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.